So Nate, we've talked about our products and how we help customers with our advanced technology, but we do more than that. Some of the things I'm thinking about, like process improvement. Tell me a little bit about how we actually work with a customer and find ways to improve their processes.
One of the first things we'd look for through process improvement would be in the usage category. How can we cut down on the overall consumption of the product that they're using? It's done several ways, one of which is the concentrations of our fluids can oftentimes run and do the same job or a better job than what they're currently using. The other would be carry-off rates. We like to build products that don't carry off at a rate that customers are having to look in their chip bins and ask, why is so much fluid escaping out of our machine tools? And the other is parts, losing fluid on parts. Evaporation rates tend to stay the same regardless of what fluid you're using because it's based on the water.
How about, you talk about consumption and carry-off and things like that. How about longevity of the fluid? What are the things that we can do in a maintenance program that will help us with sustainability of the fluid for a longer period of time?
It always starts with proper mixing procedures, which we have access to high quality proportioners that we can bring in, install for a customer and help them with their proper mixing so that operators aren't having to do it on their own. Because of this proper mixing procedure being implemented, customers have a product that's going to last a lot longer and at correct concentrations.
How about in terms of productivity? What are the things that we look for in a customer and try to help with their productivity, the number of parts they can put through in a day?
That's typically done through a correct assessment of what they're trying to accomplish and fluid recommendation based on what they're trying to accomplish.
So as an example, what kind of things would help with productivity?
Increasing their tool life. And so we're trying to go in there and look at what they're doing, what kind of tooling they're using, and how we can give them a product that's going to give them what they're looking for out of their tooling.
And whether it's tooling or consumption, how do we help our customers understand how to do all that?
A lot of trainings. We've got many trainings built already. We can also customize them based on what the customer is trying to accomplish. And we can go in there and train their personnel, whether it's 15 minutes on the floor, showing them how to properly use a refractometer, or it's a full day sitting in conference rooms going through one training session after another. And we do it all at no charge.